One of the issues of owning this estate car that really annoys me is that when I take from the trunk some stuff, it always scratches on my trunk lip. I try to find a solution for it, but I think the best way is to cover it with something. I've ordered from AliExpress this sticker with the Toyota branding, and I'll try to cover it, this part over here. As you can notice, it's very dirty. I have some towels here, microfiber towels, and some alcohol to clear it very good, and I'll show you the results. After I wipe it with the alcohol and microfiber towel, you can see that there are some scratches, some of them very deep, like this one, and they are all over the place. And I think by covering with the sticker we'll protect it later on. Even though we can polish it, I guess, but this one is really deep. You can polish it, but they are really bad later on, as they all reappear after using your car. So I'll apply the sticker and see how it looks. And that is the final result. It's not the greatest, I admit. This sticker is too small and doesn't have exactly the curvature of the car, so it lingers a little bit on this side. What I can see is that the quality is good, the additive is okay. Well, hopefully at least will protect it a little bit, this lid. Let's see how it looks closed. I guess it's okay. I don't know, from the distance. I don't know. I'll decide later on, so I'll take it off. For sure I need a bigger one for this car. Okay, see you guys next episode. Subscribe. Cheers, bye bye.